Welcome to Company Showcase, an advertising feature on HowStreet.com.
I'm Jim Goddard. I'm speaking with Jim Pettit, CEO of Aben Resources. Welcome back to the show, Jim.
Thank you, Jim.
It looks like you're all saddled up and ready to head out there. Where are you going, and what are you looking for?
Well, it's going to be a big year, big season. It's not just Forrest Kerr anymore. We're going to go up and spend some money up in the Justin property in the Yukon. For those that don't know about the Justin, we first went up there in 2010. We did work 2010, 11, and 12. Drilled a lot of holes. Discovered a intrusion-related gold system. Very interesting. Then the Yukon fell out of favor. Couldn't raise any more money to do it, but we did drill about 18, 19 holes. Drilled, actually hit gold in 10, 11 of them. It's an interesting system, not uncommon for the Tentina belt. You've got Fort Knox's intrusion-related gold system, Victoria Gold, Kaminak, and that's has the potential for big tonnage, lower grade. But what's got our interest right now is we've come up through the last few years doing a couple $100,000 worth of work, sampling in the vicinity around that zone that we discovered, called the POW zone. And we've come up with an area called the Lost Ace because it's in the same lithology as 3 aces next door to us that Golden Predator has. It's high-grade, orogenic, very coarse gold, very interesting, but we're wondering why it's so close to this intrusion. So it's probably a part of it. It's an older rock the intrusions come up through. So we want to take a look and see if there's some overprinting going on and some possible enrichment. Because you've got one really high-grade style, and you got one big tonnage, lower-grade style. So it's piqued our interest. So we're going to drill up to 10 diamond drill holes and up to 40 RAB drill holes, which are rotary air blast. And, you go 20 to 50 meters deep. It's really good for exploratory work. We wouldn't use the information for building a resource or anything, but it's really good for identification when you're in an area of coarse gold and at surface. And then we move on to the Forrest Kerr, right? This will take us about the month of June, and then when we finish there, we should be moving right into the Forrest Kerr, and we're ready to go there. Well, according to Cornell, who runs the program, we'll be drilling June 28th at 4 o'clock.
Jim, for people new to Aben, what are you all about?
We're a gold exploration company. We're listed on the TSX Venture Exchange. Our primary focus is exploring for gold in areas that give us the potential for high grade. Hence the Golden Triangle in northwestern BC and the Yukon. And what we've got planned this year for the Forrest Kerr is pretty exciting. We've got 3 areas identified to start in. Not unlike last year, we knew exactly where to drill. We've got 3 areas we know exactly where to drill, and we're starting next week with an airborne survey, doing MAG survey, geophysical survey, and that'll sort of overlay our geochem survey that's already been done. It's in place. It covers the whole the whole boundary zone. It's about 2 kilometers wide by 4 kilometers long. That is going to generate a lot of targets for us. That's the feeling we've got, and it's going to give us some information a little deeper than what we've been looking at to date, which will be extremely good for us. It's good to know where the source of all this mineralization is coming from that we've been hitting. And make us smarter going forward.
Where are you traded and under what symbols?
We're traded on the Venture Exchange, the TSX Venture Exchange, under the symbol ABN. We're traded on the OTCQB in the States under ABN AF, and in Frankfurt, the Bourse in Frankfurt, E2L2. And you can go to our website, www.abenresources.com. It's a really good website.
Jim, thanks a lot for the update.
You bet. Thanks for calling.
We've been speaking with Jim Pettit, CEO of Aben Resources. I'm Jim Goddard. Our conversation took place on May 24th.
Comments made on Company Showcase are an expression of opinion only and should not be construed in any manner whatsoever as recommendations to buy or sell any financial instrument at any time. Archived online at HowStreet.com. Company Showcase is a production of How Street Media Incorporated.